Kumusta mga kababayan? Basta nangita mo ang pagkakitaan online to have an extra source of income para makatabang ta sa atong pamilya. Ako di ay si Marichu na ako nagpuyo karon sa Michigan, USA. Originally, of course, from the Philippines. Bisaya from Davao. I'm a healthcare worker, caregiver, and I used to work 3 jobs. Now, I'm proud to say I'm an online business owner and a mentor. Here's the few reasons why I took a chance with this amazing opportunity. As a healthcare worker, caregiver, always exhausted physically and mentally. Always go work every single day for few years. With 3 jobs, it's impossible to be around with my family. Now, I'm proud to say, I'm glad I went all in with this opportunity. Karon wala na ko mo work sa akong 2 other jobs. Kay kining akong side hustle, pwede na ako i-manage anywhere and everywhere. And do na ko'y quality time sa akong family karon. Kani nga online business, bisan wala kay background sa business or any idea kung unsaon, pagpadagan sa negosyo, kay ang system tudluan ta. Dunay step-by-step training, dunay unlimited coaching and mentoring. Coach and mentor, assign nimo one-on-one. So run it anywhere you want, when you want. Do it on your time, on your term. Dili ta mamaligya diri og mang disturbo sa atong family and friends. Kay walay produkto nga atong ibaligya. Pwede part-time and full-time. Portable and flexible sad ni siya. Ang imo lang kinahanglan, cellphone and laptop. 90% automation ang gamit diri. Pasabot, bisan asa ka in the world, as long as you are connected and plugged into the system, you will earn as you go. Proud ko kaayo diri, kay nakatabang ko sa ato mga kababayan all over the world to mentor them and to set up sa ilang online business. Also, to educate them nga there is another way of earning extra income while enjoying our time with our family and friends. And that's what this business designed for. Kung nakarelate ka sa akong story, try lang nimo. Who knows? Maybe makatabang sad ni sa imo to change your life and your family, because it does to me. My goal here is to help achieve and educate others nga bisan wala kay experience sa business, as long as you are coachable and ready for change, I will be by your side to help you achieve your potential. Ang pag-register diri, free. Imo lang i-check ang business kung para sa imo or dili. Click nimo ang learn button aron masend nako ang free information sa business. And after, it's all up to you to decide, okay? Best of luck and can't wait to see you on inside. Hopefully magkita-kita ta. Bye for now.